So I'm in Canada right now. I'm in a part of Canada that doesn't get a lot of snow, so they don't know how to deal with the roads are a disaster. I'm trying to, you know, make my way to some toy stores and stuff. That's what I'm up to today. It's pretty here, but it's ridiculous. That's what the sidewalk looks like here. Nobody knows what to do. They're baffled. Can't get across the street. Can't get across the street here. How do I get across the street? place to get my hair cut. Oh, it's right here. Look at me. Look at all this glory. I'm gonna fix this up before I get to Hawaii. Well, it's not open. 9 till 4. Is it past 4? It's supposed to be open. People are all messed up because here in this small town in BC, they're not used to having snow, so people get freaked out. I have to check my map and see what the next closest place is. Step 1 of the makeover is done. Gotta get this beard off next. Okay, so now I'm at the airport. I'm finally leaving Canada for Hawaii. So American toy stores and beaches, more importantly, away from all of the snow. It's gonna be fantastic. I'm very happy and excited. Oh, the lighting's bad. I aged so much since I've been here. I hope the sun and the surf will bring me back to my younger years. So thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.